Welcome to CP's Garage, where today we're working on the Land Rover again. This time we're doing a cabin air filter on these things. They're kind of difficult, but not that bad. It's just getting to the filter is the hard part. So let's get to this thing and I'll show you how to do it. Alright, so the next part is to open your glove box. It seems easy. So we're going to open our glove box, push the button. I'm going to attempt to demonstrate this on camera, but I don't know how good that's going to turn out. But we'll go on each side. And we'll feel around and push down. And I was actually able to push down right here. You can see how that clip moves. And that just locks it in up here. And it's the same thing on this side with that guy right there. Just got to push down on it. So here's the fun part. Unfortunately, you can't get the air filter out the way it sits. And you do not want to try to move this blend door with the car off, because you will damage it. So what you have to do is turn it on. So we'll turn the car on. And then we'll turn on recirculate, which opens that blend door now, and we can get to our cabin filter, which is just kind of locked in there with two clips, and then it just slides out. Our cabin filter don't look too nasty, but we're going to change it because it's a new vehicle to us. Change filter, we just need to pull it off of these little tabs, and then we're going to want to notate which way the arrow is pointing. So in this one, we want the arrow to point down. I mean, there's some stuff in there, but not bad compared to some I've seen. So we'll just set that the way it was, and we'll be using the man filter, part number CUK 1919. This is also a carbon style filter, and we'll just look at the airflow. So we got the airflow in the right direction. We will slide this in just like the other one came out. Underneath the tabs, push it under the tabs. Voila, we're ready to go. And then even this says up. So let's go back in. All right, now we're going to slide this bad boy back in to where it belongs. Now we're back in, so let's make sure everything works. We'll turn on defrost to close the door. It looks like the door closes. We'll open up the recirculate door again. I turn it on recirculate. Come on. It looks like everything's working. So now let's put the glove box back up, and that should be just as easy as doing that. Verify it works. And it does. If this was a customer's car, we'd put all the customer's information back in the glove box like it was. So now that we have our new cabin filter in, we'll go to the other side and get our mileage and put the service in our phone. So I'll see you on the phone. And that's how you do a cabin air filter on a Range Rover or a Range Rover Sport. So the L405 and the L494. I don't know about the Discovery. Haven't looked at the Discovery's workshop manual yet, but I'm sure it's probably the same, considering the Discovery has a pretty similar dashboard as the Range Rovers. So until next time, be sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe. See you guys.